you tired of dealing with dull, lifeless hair that just won't cooperate? Well, it might be time to take a closer look at your diet. Believe it or not, what you eat plays a significant role in the health and vitality of your hair. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the top 10 foods that can help you achieve the luscious head-turning looks you always dreamed of. Number 1. Salmon. Let's start with a seafood favorite, salmon. This fatty fish is not only delicious but also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for keeping your scalp hydrated and your hair shiny. Omega-3 fatty acids are known to nourish your follicles, improve hair density, and reduce hair loss. Additionally, salmon contains protein, vitamin D, and iron, all of which contribute to healthy hair growth. Incorporating salmon into your diet at least twice a week can work wonders for your hair's health. Number 2. Avocados. Next up, we have avocado, nature's gift to healthy hair. Rich in healthy fats, vitamins, including vitamin E, and antioxidants, avocados nourish the scalp and promote hair growth. Vitamin E, in particular, is known for its ability to repair damaged hair follicles and prevent oxidative stress. The monounsaturated fats in avocados help moisturize the scalp and prevent dryness, flakiness, and dandruff. Whether you enjoy them sliced on toast, blended into a creamy smoothie, or mashed into guacamole, adding avocados to your diet can help you achieve stronger, more vibrant hair. Number 3. Eggs. Eggs are another powerhouse ingredient for healthy hair. Loaded with protein, eggs help strengthen hair follicles and promote growth. Protein is the building block of hair, and a lack of it can lead to weak, brittle hair that is prone to breakage. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7 or vitamin H, is another essential nutrient found in eggs that promotes healthy hair growth. Biotin deficiency has been linked to hair loss, so incorporating eggs into your diet can help ensure you're getting enough of this vital nutrient. Start your day off right with a nutritious egg breakfast, and your hair will thank you later. Number 4. Spinach. Don't forget to load up on leafy greens like spinach, packed with vitamin A and C, iron, and folate. Spinach nourishes the scalp and encourages healthy hair growth. Vitamin A produces sebum, a natural oil that moisturizes the scalp and keeps hair healthy. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which strengthens hair strands and prevents breakage. Iron deficiency has been linked to hair loss, so incorporating iron-rich foods like spinach into your diet is crucial for maintaining healthy hair. And a handful of spinach to your salads, smoothies, or omelets for an extra hair-boosting punch. Number 5. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious but also fantastic for your hair. Rich in beta-carotene, sweet potatoes stimulate hair growth and keep your scalp healthy. Beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A in the body, which promotes the production of sebum and helps keep hair moisturized. Additionally, sweet potatoes contain antioxidants that protect hair cells from damage caused by free radicals. Whether you bake them, boil them, or mash them, sweet potatoes are a must-have for anyone looking to improve their hair's health. Number 6. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is not just a tasty snack, it's also great for your hair. Packed with protein, Greek yogurt helps repair damaged hair and prevent breakage. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, including hair follicles. Additionally, Greek yogurt contains probiotics, beneficial bacteria that promote a healthy gut microbiome. A healthy gut is essential for absorbing nutrients from food, including those that are important for hair health. Enjoy Greek yogurt on its own or mix in some fruits and nuts for a delicious and nutritious treat. Number 7. Blueberries. These teeny berries powerful punch when it comes to promoting healthy hair. Rich in vitamin C, blueberries stimulate collagen production and strengthen hair follicles. Collagen is a protein that provides structure to hair strands, making them stronger and less prone to breakage. Additionally, blueberries are loaded with antioxidants that protect hair cells from damage caused by free radicals. Snack on a handful of fresh blueberries or add them to your morning cereal for a tasty hair boosting breakfast. Number 8. Walnuts. If you are looking for a crunchy snack that's also great for your hair, reach for walnuts. Loaded with biotin, vitamin E, and omega-3 fatty acids, walnuts nourish your hair follicles and promote growth. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7, is essential for metabolizing amino acids, the building blocks of protein. Omega-3 fatty acids are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce scalp inflammation and promote healthy hair hair growth. Vitamin A is a powerful antioxidant that protects hair cells from damage and keeps hair looking skinny, shiny and lustrous. Keep a stash of walnuts handy for a convenient and nutritious snack on the go. Number 9. Oysters. Seafood lovers, rejoice. Oysters are not only delicious but also fantastic for your hair. Packed with zinc, oysters help maintain a healthy scalp and promote hair growth. Zinc plays a crucial role in DNA and RNA production, which are necessary for healthy hair cell division and growth. Additionally, zinc regulates the production of sebum, a natural oil that moisturizes the scalp and prevents dryness and dandruff. Whether you enjoy them raw or cooked, oysters are a great addition to any diet focused on improving hair health. Number 10. Carrots. Last but certainly not least, we have carrots, rich in beta-carotene. Carrots promote hair growth and improve the overall health of your hair. Beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A in the body, which promotes the production of sebum and helps keep hair moisturized. Additionally, carrots contain antioxidants that protect hair cells from damage caused by free radicals. Whether you enjoy them raw, steamed or juiced, adding carrots to your diet can help you achieve the luscious looks you've always wanted. There you have it, the top 10 foods for healthy hair. By incorporating these nutrient-rich ingredients into your diet, you can nourish your hair from the inside out and achieve the strong, vibrant looks you've always dreamed of. So what are you waiting for? Head to the grocery store and start stocking up on these hair-boosting foods today. Remember, consistency is key, so make sure to include a variety of these foods into your meals regularly to reap the full benefits. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.